Friend, welcome to this channel, and today I am going to tell you about how to improve your vocabulary, right? So because and that there are a lot of problems in order to improve your vocabulary. So this is my first and the question I have written. Okay, so as I shared you in the previous video about a reading section, right? So here I am going to talk about vocabulary. Vocabulary is very important for and speaking on any topic. If you want to really speak on any topic, so without vocabulary you can't make the proper sentence, right? So you need to know about the vocabulary. Without vocabulary you can't and make good sentence, good idea you can't express in front of those people who are speaking with you. So without vocabulary you can't do anything else, right? So I am going to tell you about a reading section, right? So read English newspaper on the daily basis. You can choose any article from there. You can improve your vocabulary from there. So it will be very awkward for you when you will follow at least 2 days, 3 days and 4 days. So and enhance your vocabulary when you will do this activity on your daily basis. So it will be good for you, right? And when you make the good conversation, then another person who is there with you, they will always appreciate you if you have the bunch of word in your mind. On the daily basis you have to just change that word what you have, and every day you can just speak different word. You can use it in your own conversation, and your conversation will be very and awesome. And another person who is there with you, they will always and give you so many idea. Okay, you have to just do this activity. You have to just and can do this activity. Definitely this activity it will help you for your and life. Okay, so reading newspaper on the daily basis, and you can improve your vocabulary from there. Okay, so second one is that and listen is also very important. Okay, when you will listen, then you will learn and learn idiom, phrase and pronunciation. So many things you will learn from there. You must be wondering about this, why am I telling like that? Okay, when you will do this activity, it will be very useful for you. Not only you, if anybody who will ask you this question, how can I improve my vocabulary, so you can give them suggestion. That type of suggestion it will and help them. Okay, so listen is very important, right? And you should listen on the daily basis, so it will play very vital role for all of them. Okay, so and next one is that and watching. When you will watch any movie or maybe any and web series, so you should just watch, at least you should spend 15 minutes for watching. If you are watching, if anybody who had and spoke any sentence, if you couldn't understand it at that moment, so you should just pause that video and you can note it down those vocabulary in your copy whole day. Whenever you have time, just you can practice, just you can do this activity in a day. You can revision 3 times of your copy. Definitely that word it will always come in your mind when you will make the good conversation with any other person, right? So I have completed only first steps, reading, listen and watching section, right? So only this thing if you will do it on the daily basis, so your vocabulary will be improved from there. Okay, so let's now go to the next one. Okay, dictionary. And and I have seen many people want to improve our vocabulary, but they don't have the good idea. They don't have anything else. But my humble suggestion, all of them who want to speak well, so if they have any under Oxford dictionary, or maybe if they don't have an Oxford dictionary, they should just go and through offline online, or maybe if they have any in pocket dictionary, that would be also better for them, right? So if you have found any word, so in anywhere, any place, so you can just find it out online. Many websites are there, many, and you can ask Google. You can just ask another friend who is there with you, so it will be always give you and so much idea. If you have seen any banner, if you are going to market, so you can ask this and what to those friends who are there with you. Okay, so if you want to really improve your vocabulary, otherwise if you don't ask, so nobody can tell you about those vocabulary, those sentences. But if you have the curious in your mind, if you have eagerness in your heart, right, integrity should be there in your mind. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Keep always simple word. Okay, and I have I have seen many people want to use very difficult word in order to improve the vocabulary, but you don't do that, right? In the initial stage, if you will do and the very difficult word, use very difficult word in order to improve your conversation, so it will not make the proper and impact to other person, right? If let's suppose who is the beginner, if you will use and a very difficult word in initial, so they don't understand what you are trying to say. Okay, so my humble suggestion all of you should just always use very simple word, and in order to improve your vocabulary, and another person and who will always give you so much idea, right? So always keep and very simple word, that will also very helpful for your and future. Okay, and your conversation will be very amazing and awesome, gorgeous. It will give you so many things, right? So next one we have learn a word of the day. Okay, so many people are saying like that I have learned and that much word, 10 word a day, 5 word a day, but and later and 10 days, 5 days, that strategy it will not work for you, right? Only you can learn at least a second word in a day, and hereafter you can just improve your vocabulary, right? At least one word. And last one is that implementation is very important. Whatever you have learned about reading section, listening section, watching section, dictionary, and always keep simple words and learn a word of the day. And whatever you have learned, so you should just speak like that, you should just imply in your own conversation, so everything will be okay. And hereafter when you will know about this strategy, and to be honest, your English conversation everything will be very good, and you will feel more comfortable while talking with anyone. So until then I am going to end this session, and I will be very back with a new interesting topic. So I till then, bye bye, have a great day, I see you next time.